Alright, in today's lesson we're going to have a specific look at latitude and the lines of latitude. The lines of latitude help us distinguish between the north and southern hemispheres, which lay above or below the equator. So if we look at north at the top and south down the bottom, if I draw a line right through the middle of the earth, this is what's known as the equator, and it separates the northern and southern hemispheres, and it sits at 0 degrees, and it is a line of latitude. Two other important lines of latitude are the one above and the one below. The one above is known as the Tropic of Cancer, and the other one is known as the Tropic of Capricorn. And the Tropic of Capricorn actually runs through Australia in Rockhampton. Now they are both at 23.5 degrees, and in this case the Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degrees south because it's in the southern hemisphere. You can see it's below the equator line, and the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degrees north because it is above or north of the equator line. The further we go, or the higher we go, the higher the latitudes are. The latitudes also refer to the type of climate that we have. So for example, the Tropic of Capricorn and the Tropic of Cancer, in between those two climates we have a tropical climate, hence the name Tropic of Capricorn. So we were to fill that in, we can tell that that's basically the tropical regions of the world. We then have the mid latitudes, where it tends to be a little bit cooler, and we also have then the high altitudes, which tend to be quite cold indeed, and that's where the Arctic and the Antarctic can be found. Now it's very easy to remember which lines are the latitude and which are the longitude lines by thinking of a ladder. If we write latitude, we think of the rungs of a ladder, these rungs here, then they can remind us of the lines of latitude that we've just been looking at over here. So I hope this lesson explains latitude to you. The Tropic of Cancer, the equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn, and the idea of the northern and southern hemispheres are very important ones that you need to remember.